Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our Husqvarna Norden 901 adventure bike. This thing is in beautiful shape, only 560 miles, 2023, still under factory warranty. The thing is loaded, fuel injection, liquid cooled. It's got the engine guards, rock guard, cruise control. It's got some running lights up front. Really nice off-road dual sport tires. Come on by and make your adventure dreams come true. This awesome Husqvarna. That's where they developed those big bore dual sports. Only $11,999. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.